and that shit cost me. The light I used to run to is now complete darkness. It's getting hard to find my way and I become so heartless. Depression and anxiety, a tag team the weekend. There's always gonna be a part of me that ain't speaking. A person you can't save, it ain't no need to get the deacon. I think about my struggles every night before I'm sleeping. My breathing getting shorter, cause death is slowly creeping. My heart is so confusing, cause only half is beating. I'm in and out of court for custody and traffic reasons, trying to get my license back from a DUI and speeding. I work throughout the week and get my son like every weekend. It's been plenty nights where I was living on the deep end. Fought for my daddy, just so he can sleep in. Stealing from a gas station just to get some wheat in. Can't forget to mention my little stepson Jay. Wasn't cool with his dad, but that's some beef back in the day. As a man, I stepped up and there's some shit that I won't say. Now I love that boy to death, I hit my own ass to the grave. New baby on the way, good news, it wasn't scaring me. Asked my girl to marry me, and now she see the clarity. Gave the girl a ring, her Bugs Bunny, she ain't sharing me. Now every time we fight, she look down right where the carrots be. You hear me? I'm done beefing for no reason, so you gotta kill me. I'm done fucking with these bitches who be trying to feel me. If you a hater, I appreciate you trying to build me. So let's be honest, you don't like me, that's a mutual feeling. Half my family done me wrong, and I still forgave them. Barely making any songs, shit, I barely play them. Think of ways to right my wrongs, people seem to save them. Why should I accept apologies? They never say them. You get what you give, I witnessed the head. You ain't making any moves, you laying in bed. I had to get up, get out and put some fat on my ribs. Instead of hitting so-and-so, if I could borrow some bread. On the edge a million times, like I'm better off dead. Had to think of better ways, so I cut off my dreads. Had to hit the ground running for his gun with the legs. I'm a cowboy for real, no relation to dead. I be worried about the things others take for granted. Can't count on two hands how many times I was stranded. Wish my dad was there for me. Instead of on drugs, I guess he had high hopes for not showing his love. Growing up the black sheep, all he seen was a thug. Tried to resurrect my feelings, he put under the rug. What's a father to his son if they're not even close? What kind of structure are you building if your ceiling is low? Y'all niggas don't hear me, man. Yeah, what kind of structure are you building if your ceiling is low? I said, what kind of structure are you building if your ceiling is low?